Solar energy is the energy that comes from the sun, which is received by the planet in the form of electromagnetic radiation. This energy is used to thermally convert the temperature of a fluid, or that transformation of light energy in the electrical energy. In source consumption, it is not required internal transmission, time control, area machine run, substation electric. In this approach, the one to implement in La Dorada Caldas. In this alarm with a flame of high temperature, and which be convention the use that with for solar energy to use panels.